Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It was built in 2006 and is located in the picturesque coastal town of Draxhall St. Anne at Vista Del Mar. Vista Del Mar is an exclusive gated community offering unparalleled luxury and tranquility. Nestled along the pristine shores of the Caribbean Sea, this meticulously planned enclave boasts stunning ocean views from the living room and the lush tropical landscapes. Residents are surrounded by a host of amenities tailored to their discerning lifestyle. Beaches such as the Cove, shopping, restaurants, hospital, major tourist attractions, schools and highway access just moments from their doorstep. The lower level comprises 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, living and dining area, as well as laundry room. Meanwhile, the upper level features 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, living and dining area, and 2 balconies. With such a step up, you could potentially sublet parts of the space for investment purposes, whether long-term rentals or perhaps even short-term vacation rentals. Solar water heater and 2,000-gallon water tank is available. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 590,000 or Jamaican $90.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.